Hey, Step by Step family, I wanted to share a very short video with you all about something that I had previously put up. I did a previous video about something called a Berkey water filtration system, and the reason, the benefits of why you may want to look into that to get one. For emergency purposes, it is a standalone unit that filters 99.999% of bacteria and viruses, and also it does not require any electricity, so you don't need running water or electricity to use it. Now, the reason why I'm doing this very short video is because I am in a real life situation to show you all exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to read an article to you all here. We just had a boil advisory in the town that I live in. Now, this was 2 days ago. We didn't even know anything about it. But I'm going to read to you something really quick just to help you all to understand what I'm trying to share with everybody about, just trying to be more prepared and have clean drinking water on hand. So this says, officials have placed a boil water advisory for the town that I live in 2 days ago after total coliform and E. coli bacteria was found in the water supply. The city of where I live in, water distribution department is urging people to not drink the water without bringing it to a boil for at least 1 minute and then cooling. They say that boiled or bottled water should be used for drinking, making ice, brushing teeth, washing dishes, and food preparation until further notice. So that is right there is showing you that the water that's coming from your faucet can become very contaminated, so much that you can't even drink it. And so anyway, now just think about this. If the whole town is being told that they need to have drinking bottled water, then I would say most of the people are going to be rushing to the stores to go buy drinking water. Now, if there is no drinking, or if there's no bottled water, or if there's a shortage, then you have to ask yourself, what do you do in an emergency situation like that? And that's kind of minor, because those type of things happen in a lot of towns a lot. So just think if a major situation happens. So this is the next article. These are articles that came out in my town. Like I said, it came out 2 days ago. We didn't even know about the boil advisory, but we were still safe in what we were drinking, because this Berkey filter will filter out E. coli and coliform and other type of contaminants that are in the water. So it says, the city of where I live in, water distribution department lifted a boil advisory for customers on Thursday, which was just yesterday. The boil advisory was placed after total coliform and E. coli bacteria was found in the water supply on Wednesday, which was 2 days ago. Officials now say that it is not necessary for customers to boil water before use. A statement from officials say that it is now believed a mechanical failure caused the original sample to test positive for the bacteria. Now let's think of all the people who, like myself, did not know about the water boil advisory. That was drinking water out of their faucets and had no idea. So I know, for example, that this unit here is safe. I feel 100% confident that this Berkey system that, and I will post the link above for you guys to go back, but I feel 100% safe knowing that this Berkey system filtered out any type of bacteria and viruses, the E. coli and the coliform that they're talking about. It filtered it out for our drinking water, for our cooking water. And like I said, this is just a very small example. Just a small example. Is very timely, but it's a small example of why we all have to prepare and have something on hand that is going to be accessible for us when we need clean drinking water. So anyway, thanks guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below, and I hope you have a great day.